Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be creating this Eid inspired makeup look. So if you guys don't know what Eid is, the best way to put it is basically Christmas. We have the holy month of Ramadan where you have to fast the entire month. And then right after that comes Eid. It's kind of like the celebration where you're supposed to put like a new outfit on and you get money from your parents. Usually it's the children that get money. You're supposed to dress up. I know we're at a time where it's really hard to celebrate as much as we want to, but it will feel nice to just put a nice outfit on and put some makeup on, take some photos and all of that. So this is my first Eid makeup look. I kind of want to do these yearly, and I went for this rusty orange, brown, and of course with the thick black sharp liner going on. Something to match this outfit that I'm wearing, but of course depending on the outfit you guys are wearing, you guys can go ahead and change up the colors of this look. And yeah, before we get started, if you guys are new here, I would love it if you can subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy, and let's jump into the tutorial. Alright, it feels kind of weird sitting here and doing my makeup. I haven't sat down and done a makeup tutorial in so long. I've been doing a lot of vlogs recently, so let me know if you guys enjoy that, or makeup tutorials, or a little bit of mixture of each. Let me know your thoughts, because I'm kind of doing a little bit of everything. But anyways, I'm gonna start with my eyes first. I usually like to start with my eyes just because, you know, the fallouts and all, so I'm just gonna prime them real quickly. So for this makeup look, we're gonna be using this beautiful palette right here by Tati Beauty. And I'm also going to be using the Laura Mercier Sienna stick. This is an eyeshadow stick. I originally wanted this look to be neutral, but this color, you guys, is literally the same color as the outfit that I'm wearing. So I found this in my drawer and I'm like, oh, it's like a perfect match. So obviously, depending on the outfit that you're wearing, you guys can change up the colors according to that. I am going to warm up my crease a little bit with Soothe very lightly, and I do want to extend this out like so. So I'm taking it a little bit past my eyebrows, and when I reach the end, I'm kind of flipping it out a little bit. I kind of want to give it a nice little catty eye shape right here. I'm keeping my eyes open so I can kind of see exactly where the placement is going to be and how it's going to look once I'm just like looking straight forward. Now I'm grabbing that brown matte shade right here, and I'm going to start cutting my crease with that shadow. I'm using a thin eyeliner brush, like an angled brush, and I'm just going to start drawing this out, following the same shape that I just created this first shadow color, but it's going to be in a thin brown line. Again, I am doing it with my eyes open so I can kind of see the placement that looks best. Now it doesn't have to be perfect, but kind of just like an outline to figure out where I want my eyeshadow lid color to start and end, and just to outline the crease line. Now, once that's there, it looks a little funny, but we're gonna go ahead and grab a very small fluffy brush. This is the M507, one of my favorite blending brushes for like detailed work. I have nothing on this brush. I'm just gonna slowly start diffusing that line just a little bit so it's not so harsh. Okay, I'm actually now going to grab the James Charles palette, and because I'm using a stick on the lid, I first want to just have a base of an eyeshadow on first and kind of cut the crease with the shadow first because it's a little bit harder to do with a stick. So I am just going to grab an eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to use, rather than using like paint pot or anything like that, I'm just going to use this orangey, light orange shade right here since my base is going to be orange anyway. And I'm going to cut the crease with that. It's not going to be like an all intense, super perfect, but we are doing cut crease situation. And now I'll go in with the Laura Mercier Caviar Stick in Sienna and just put that all over my eyelid. That's such a pretty color. I'm just gonna blend the edges with my fingers because once I apply the eyeliner, this is gonna close this part out, so I wouldn't worry about this just yet. So I'm just grabbing some wipes and I'm gonna go in here and just sharpen up the edges just a little bit so it lifts my eye up and helps me with the cat eye look. And then once I have that in there, I'm just gonna go back with that brown matte shadow that I was using and perfect this brown line and really shape it up the way I want it to look like. And then I'm gonna go back in with Soothe and mix a little bit of the matte shade, just barely tapping into that. And I'm going to very, very gently blend this line out. I still want it to be intense showing through, but I don't want it to be harsh. So very, very gently, I'm just going to diffuse it with this brown shadow. Okay, I'm gonna move into eyeliner. I'm grabbing the Inglot 77 and with the same pointy line that I used to draw the brown shadow, I'm just gonna go ahead and dip it into the liner and draw out my winged line. When I draw that liner, I'm gonna kind of point it towards the end of this so it's almost touching that brown line that I just created. I am winging it towards that direction. I'm gonna point it out just a little bit in the very beginning. I feel like going a little bit dark today, so I'm also going to bring the point back in and just fill in my waterline with the same liner. I'm gonna do the same at the top. I'm gonna go over the liner with a liquid liner. This is the e.l.f. liner in Jet Black, just to make it as black as can be. All right, the main eye look is done. Now let's go ahead and put some brows on, some mascara, some face on, so we can look kind of normal because it looks kind of crazy right now. So let me just fast forward through these parts because it's not all that entertaining. I'm just gonna be grabbing my dip brow in Ebony. I actually ran out of my brow wiz, so I'm back to my pomade. These things last for like years and years and years. Don't ask how many years this is, but it's been here a while. Actually, never mind. Let me do my face first. I usually like to do that first and then leave my brows to the very end. So I'm just gonna be grabbing some Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer and just with my fingers. I'm grabbing my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NC20 and NC30, just mixing those together and putting that. I've been doing this for the longest, you guys. I'm applying my concealer first before I apply my foundation. And then if I feel like I need more concealer, which I do, I just go back in again and add another layer on. So now I'm just gonna be grabbing some red cherry lashes in Wisp, and I'm cutting them in half and focusing them on the outer corner just so we can keep playing on with that whole cat eye look that we have going on. The first one in the middle of my eye, And then the other one towards the end, kind of overlapping it, and then just focusing it at the very end. I'm gonna go back in with Ritual, the matte brown shade, and then just put that very close to my lower lash line and kind of just smoke it out. And then I'm just going to blend that out. I'm grabbing the Anastasia dark brown dip brow and just using that to fill in my brows a little bit and at the same time set them. I'm grabbing Laura Mercier blush in Peach. And then I'm gonna grab a little bit of the Fresco. This is like a subtle golden peachy blush, and I'm just gonna put that on the apples of my cheeks. It has like little highlights in it, so it acts like a highlight. And a little bit on my nose, just a little bit. I'm grabbing Max Spice lip liner. And then I just grabbed the Anastasia lip palette and I mixed this shade with this rust shade right here, and this is the lip combo. Alright guys, so this is the completed makeup look right here. What do you guys think? I threw some earrings on. I just recently picked these up from ASOS and I felt like they're so suitable for Eid. They have like the little moon shape and the evil eye icon, if you will. So I thought it would be super cute to wear it for Eid. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and Eid Mubarak if you guys do celebrate. I know it's kind of crazy with everything going on. We can't really enjoy it the way we want to, but you know, just put some makeup on, put a new outfit on, take some photos, you know, it just makes things a little bit better. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. If you guys are new here, I would love it if you can subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.